Shri Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. First of all, I offer my unlimited Dandavat Pranam to the feet of Madhurapad Burma, Nitalila Pravishtam Vishnupat, Astutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila, Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitalila Pravishtam Vishnupat, Astutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila, Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously I offer my humble Dandavat Pranam to the Sri Ramkala Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj and all Guru Goswami Maharaj and all senior devotees and presented all of my respectful guests. So today is very excellent, auspicious day, and it's called Akshaya Tritiya. Just I little bit introduce what is the meaning of Akshaya Tej by Akshaya Tritiya. Akshaya means that is called the non-diminishing or everlasting. Tritiya refers to the third day from the moon phase, and also Akshaya means that imperishable, and and this is also is called in this Vaishakh Mass, and according to our Indian Vedic culture, Vaishakh Mass is a very important month of 12th month, and among the 12th month, Vaishakh Mass is very important, and in this Vaishakh Mass and also Akshaya Tritiya, super excellent auspicious day. In our Vedic culture, and once a year, 2 to 4 months are very super excellent and auspicious day. According to Jyotish Shastra, and also explain in this, and the 4 days are very super excellent auspicious day. Without going to the astrologer, and you can to decide and any kind of your auspicious activities such as marriage ceremony, starting the business, and build the house or build the temple, Vigraha Pratishtha, and any kinds of any kinds of pavitra, pure things we can start. Even also business, and we can start also. Especially 4 days are very important. That is called Akshaya Tritiya, Ram Navami, and also Vasanta Panchami and Dasahara. And Dasahara, that means for the appearance day of Madhavendra Prema, that is called. And that is called Madhacharya. And just before in our and Kartik start, and that is called also Vijaya Dasa. And without going to the astrologer and to calculate of your Rasi and your and other things, and you can start your any good things. No need to Muhurta. Muhurta means one special auspicious time, and the there is no need to go to the astrologer. Astrologer will calculate according to Rasi, Nakshatra, and they will calculate the and Muhurta, one special auspicious time. But in these days, 4 days, and among of these 4 days, there is no need to go the astrologer. Just you can start these things. Right? So this is very important. Right? For this regard, Shastra also says, in this day, you what you want to do, that is will be God, that is called and imperishable, and that will be Akshay, and you will get the perfect result. For this regard, in our Hindu Shastra, Vedic Shastra, so many glorifies about um, Akshay Tritiya, Ramnami, Vijayadashami and Basanta Panchami. But among these 2 days, among the 4 days, the 2 days also super excellent and auspicious. That is called Akshay Tritiya and Basanta Panchami. And there is also super excellent auspicious day. But also Akshay Tritiya, very super excellent auspicious day. And in this day you can perform any kinds of and pious activities and Pavitra Karma you can do. Because in this day our Shastra also explain actually what is called Akshay. Just you heard the meaning of Akshay. Akshay means that is called imperishable. And actually Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna also explained actually Akshay, that is called Krishna and Krishnanam, and also Atma and Paramatma, and that is called the imperishable. And Akaru Asmin, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to Arjuna, I am Akaru Asmin, and in the first alphabet letter, that is called Akara. And so in this word we have seen in the Om. Om, that word is manifest in 3 alphabets in there. Akara Uchyate Krishna Sarvo Lokiko Nayako. Ukaro Prakriti Rava. Ukaro Jiva Bachaka. Akaro Uchyate Krishna. Akaro Uchyate Krishna. अकार उच्यते कृष्ण सर्व लौकिक नायक उकार मकारो जीव वाचक. Akar means Krishna, and Akshara Atma, and Krishna says I am the supreme, and Akshar, and Akar uच्यते Krishna. Ukaro Prakriti Radha. Ukaro, that's the Prakriti, is Shakti, and that is called Srimati Radhika. And Krishna's Sarup Shakti Srimati Radhika. And Makara Jiva Vachaka, and Makara, that is called his marginal potency. That means Krishna and Krishna's potency here. Here Krishna's 2 kinds of potency, 3 kinds of potency manifested in this word. One is called, that is called Chit Shakti, Jiva Shakti and Maya Shakti. Krishna, he manifests the transcendental world with the Chit energy, Chit potency, transcendental world. And Krishna manifested in all the living entities with his Jiva Shakti. That is called Vibhanang Shakti, Jiva Shakti or marginal potency. And another that is called Jada Shakti or Maya Shakti, and his external potency, that is called Maya Shakti, and he manifested his material world. And that means Krishna 3 Shakti is important: Chit Shakti, Jiva Shakti and Maya Shakti. But Chit Shakti, that is called and Sabha Upare. Chit Shakti is unique and unparalleled. And Srimati Radhika, she is called Saru Shakti Prakash. She is called the manifestation, direct manifestation of Saru Shakti, internal potency of Lord Krishna. And so where is Krishna? Krishna Shakti is there. And Jatra Krishna Tatra Radha, Jatra Radha Tatra Krishna. Where is Krishna? There is Radha. Where is Radha? There is Krishna. Krishna and Krishna Shakti always staying with there. And Shakti Mano Dayur Abheda. So for this regard, when we discuss about the Akshar and imperishable, that is Krishna and Krishna Shakti, that is called perfect imperishable, that is Akshar. And so in this way, our different philosophers, they very nicely and elaborately explain what is the perfect meaning of Akshar and Akshay. And so Krishna, and that means Lord, and his Shakti, that is the eternal and transcendental. And in the same way, Jivatma, so that's called eternal transcendental. Mami also Jiva Loke, Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. Krishna also explained all the living entities, they are my potency Shakti and eternal and transcendental. So Jiva and Krishna, I mean Krishna Shakti is eternal and transcendental. And so now coming in this way, the actual perfect, when you deeply analyze Gurudev in his class, also very nicely explain what is the perfect meaning of Akshar and Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. And if you also give some charity, donation, and or you fire sacrifice, many things, how long will we stay in this material world? Not more than the Devamana Loka. Devamana Lokas means the word of Devatas, demigods, they are staying in heavenly planet. It's called one Mananta. One Mananta, Devatas, they are staying in this way. So that means if you perform some pious activities, charity, donation, that means you feed the people, give the donation to the poor people. Maybe we will go to a heavenly planet, but how long you will stay in that place? And not more than one mananta. And so that is after one mananta, one devaloka, then you will have to again return back this material world. But this is also long period. Then for this regard, we are saying this is also Akshay. Actual perfect Akshay, imperishable. That is called Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. And for this regard, Gurudev explained, if you listen to Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam, and that is called imperishable. That is the best. Tabo Katham Ritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Viriritam Kalamusahapam Sravana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grinanti Te Bhurida Jana. And Srimad Bhagavatam. And that is called the Gopi Gita. And Srimati Radhika herself recited this verse. Tava Katham Ritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Viriritam Kalamusahapam Bhuvi Grinanti Bhurida Jana. Bhurida Jana. And with the best donor, one who glorifies Krishna Katha and Krishna's pastimes, Krishna Nam. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, for this regard, he is called the best donor who distributes the highest prem to the prem, and for his Nam Sankirtan. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. But conditional soul, they have no taste to listen Hari Katha. This is true. For this regard, Shastra also saying, okay, you can do these pious activities, and they maybe will get some sukriti, and according to sukriti, then you will get association sadhu, or with the association sadhu, and then you will get bhakti, and when you practice devotion service to Lord bhakti, then you attain to Lord. For this regard, and our Shastra also explain this way, and in this day you can do many kinds of charitable activities this way. And so, because from Bhagavad Gita, Krishna also explained to Arjuna, no buddhi vedam janesu. You should not to disturb the karmis, those who completely absorb their karma. Because karmis, they want to perform different kinds of and karma, charity, donation to them. So you have to inspire to them, charity, donation to them, because they have no sukriti to listen to Harikatha. And so for this regards, Krishna says to Arjuna, he also inspired the people to charity, donation, and different kinds of pious activities. Maybe in these pious activities, and accidentally they will serve and the great devotee of Lord and Suddha Mahatma. Then they will get also benefit. Srimad Bhagavatam, many slokas also explain this is Sukhdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj. And Kurmis, they interested to perform this prakar, these types of past activities because they have no taste to listen Hari Katha, so for the inspire to them this way. And in their karma activities, then maybe they will get fruits to associate with sadhu, and accidentally they will get their pure devotee of Lord. Then their sukriti will be matured, and then they will they will practice devotional service to Lord. And because Srimad Bhagavatam, many slokas, Sukadeva Goswami are told that is called Madhu Puspita Vakya. Madhu Puspita Vakya means some sweet words and using how to attract the Kurmi people and Karma Marga people or Jnana Marga people. This is the thing. So now you are coming the actual today very super excellent auspicious day. Today also best day we manifested the Vedas and and started then Vedas were written by Ganesh, and also today in Mahabharata, and that day he also wrote Mahabharatam, and he composed Mahabharatam and Lila Katha this way. And also today very super excellent auspicious day, Mother Ganga descendant from heaven in this world, Ganga Avataran, Gujarat, he also brought this Ganga. So for this regard, so Ganga Avataran, when Ganga descended and from heavenly planet, and also today Devi Parvati manifested in the form of Annapurna Devi, and Lord Shiva also manifested in the form of one beggar and Bhikkhuk, and Lord Shiva also took donation from Annapurna Devi. And in our also scripture also explain, because our Shastras explain today, if you give donate some rice, dal and just anything, then in your life you will never and so
lacking come
lacking lack of
grain
grains, and then you will get the many kinds of these things also. And also our Shastra says today also Treta Yuga begins, and also Satya Yuga begins, different kalpa they also begin. And today also our Shastra also explain barley, and one of the main ingredients for the homa, which is which is a Yuga Dharma, Treta Yuga was manifested in barley. This is very important when we also and to perform fire sacrifice. This barley is very important. So our Shastra also explain, and barley also appear manifested in this day also. So, so and especially also another thing is also in Chandan Jatra begins, and the Chandan Jatra also, because Thakurji is doing the human being lila, and especially in Madhavendra Puripad, and when Madhavendra Puripad he was staying in lap of Giriraj, Govardhan and Papam Bhajan and Sadhan, and that time Gopalji he also came in his dream and told the Kavias Madhav Asimari Karibes Shebon, when Madhavendra Puripad will come and serve to me, and very nice beautiful also Leela in there. And then Madhavendra Puripad he called all the villagers, and then he digged out, then he found very nice beautiful, and that Gopal also manifested by Krishna's great grandson, that is called Vajranath. And Gopal himself and gave order to Madhavendra Puripad so many years. I I was staying under the earth, and so so I am feeling so much hot, and you also and bring some Malai Chandan and very, and what is called Sital Chandan and cool Chandan sandalwood from South India. And so Madhavendra Puripad he went to South India. That time Madhavendra Puripad was very old. When Madhavendra Puripad he came in Kechara Gopinath, and Gopinath also stole and one pot of sweet rice, and this will also their Katha. Then and the Pujari of Gopinath and offered to Madhavendra Puripad. Then Madhavendra Puripad he tasted that the sweet and sweet rice, and for this regard the Thakurji's name also called Kheer Chora Gopinath. And then Madhavendra Puripad went to South India, and he brought the central port. But when again he came back in Kheer Chora Gopinath, that time Gopinath again also ordered to him, oh, no need to go to Govardhan for your Gopal, because I am and Gopal is non-difference, and so you put all the chandan sandalwood on my body, then in this way your Gopal will get everything. Then Madhavendra Puripad, and 1 month he also and put the sandalwood paste to and Gopinath, Khirchara Gopinath. Then after a few months, Madhavendra Puripad he departed from this material world, and so in Remuna still Madhavendra Puripad and Samadhi Mandir is there. So in this way, this today is called the Chandan Jatra. Also in Jagannath Puri, and there is also Chandan Jatra, and Thakurji, his body is completely covered with the sandalwood paste. And even most of all the temple of Vrindavan and other place, Thakurji's, and that means it is covered with sandalwood paste. And because Thakurji is feeling so much hot, and so pujaris and of the temple they also decorate Thakurji's body with that and sandalwood paste. And if you go Vrindavan and most of all the temple, and Thakurji decorate with very nice beautiful sandalwood paste, and even there is no cloth, they put the sandalwood paste look like the cloth, and they also decorate very nicely different design. And if you little bit far to take darshan to deities, you think that Thakurji is and dressed as like cloth, and actually that is not the cloth, that is full of chandan. And especially if you go Radha Damodar temple or Samasundar Radha Samasundar, even our Sanatan, they also very nicely and decorated Thakurji, and also Fulbangla, Biharji Thakurji, different even Vrindavan, most of the temple, they also decorate very nicely. And not only some temple, they also continue 1 month, they also put the sandalwood paste to Thakurji, because from this day weather and the temperature is going up and up, and from 42, 45 to 52 degrees also sometimes. And for this regard, they also decorate, they also put the sandal paste to Thakurji. And so for this regard, this is also Chandan Jatra, Nauka Vihar, and Jagannath Puri. They also very nice, beautiful lila that is called Jagannath. It is called Nauka Vihar, and many kinds of sweet pastimes that they are doing. And the today also the Subhavi Pro, and he went to Tarkapuri, and he also met with Krishna. And today Subhavi Pro, he also gave. Actually, he did not want to give his born sickness, and actually and but Krishna by force and grabbed and took his what is called and born, that is called Silva and flat rice. And flat rice and this thing goes. And then Rukmani Devi stopped to Krishna. Prabhu, you ate, and you also gave everything to him. And Srimad Bhagavatam also explained, and Sudhan Krishna, and he served to Sudhan Vipra, because Krishna is so beneficent and magnanimous also. And Namo Brahmanna Devaya Go Brahmanna Hitaya Jagat Hitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. And Krishna always he protects the Brahman and the cows. And he has so much love and affection with the Brahmana and the cows. And so when Sudhan Vipra, and poor Sudhan Vipra, he came in the house, in the palace of Krishna in Dwarkapuri. Then Krishna himself worshipped his lotus feet, and also gave his own Sarana Singhasan fit for him. And Krishna himself to serve to Sudhan Vipra. And he also took the food bathing water of Sudhan Vipra. He drank the food bathing water of Sudhan Vipra, and he also gave that food water to all his queen, 16,108 queens, and all they drank the food bathing water of Sudhan Vipra. And Krishna also spread that the sprinkle the food bathing water of Sudhan Vipra, and in this way Krishna thought was how we to give the honor to the Brahmana. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur also explained Vaishnava Padatak, and the food bathing water of the Vaishnava, how is you powerful. And you cannot to compare to other any auspicious and water. And Vaishnava Padatak Kabhu nahi samatala. And the food bathing water of pure devotee is the highest. You cannot compare to others. And in this way, Krishna, he took the food bathing water of Sudhan Vipra, and he also served to Sudhan Vipra very nicely, and he gave his own bed to sleep Sudhan Vipra. And then after 2 days from Vipra, he proceeded to return back to his home. And but Sudhan Vipra, when returned back to his home, that time he saw that his small hut is not there, the big palace in there. And externally, Krishna did not give one penny in the pocket of Sudhan Vipra, but Krishna internally gave everything to Sudhan Vipra. And this thing very nicely and elaborately described in Srimad Bhagavatam. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to the pastimes of Sudhan Vipra Katha. So in this way, if anybody to serve to Guru and Vaishnava, what kinds of benefit we will get, who can explain this way. So this Sudhamitra Katha, also this is important in this way, and also today Krishna protect to Draupadi from from the demon Duryodhan and Dushasan. In Mahabharata also explained this way. And when Yudhishthira Maharaj completely defeat in their what is called Asakila, in the dice games, and that time the demon Dusasan, he caught the hero Draupadi and brought in the assembly house, and where all his super person is there. So and also Karna and Duryodhan, they also use many harsh words, and Dusasan tried to nag it to Draupadi. And then Krishna himself sent all cloths to Draupadi. Some Vaishnavas also explain actually Krishna himself completely wrapped in the whole body of Draupadi. Actually, but this Dusasan, he was pulling the sari of Draupadi, but completely he completely was fatigued and could not stop. He could not neglect Draupadi. So actually Krishna protect to Draupadi. This lila, just I mentioned this actually. Here why Krishna sent the cloth, there are two reasons in here. And one katha also, Draupadi she got benediction from Durvasa Rishi also. And our Puran also explain the when and Ganga Devi, she also coming from Brahmaloka, Satyaloka to heavenly planet. Then Ganga Devi, she does not want to come in this material world. And Ganga Devi in there is called Sargaloka, that is called Mandakini. Sargaloka, there is Ganga one name called Sargaloka, that is called Mandakini. And Ganga Devi, she was very proud, she was flowing in step. And one day Durvasa Rishi, he was taking bath in the river of the Ganges, the river of the Mandakini. But in the meantime, the stream of the Mandakini by force took Durvasa's cloth. And then Durvasa is thinking, how will we come out from the water of Mandakini? Because Mandakini took Durvasa's cloth. And then what to do? At the same time, Draupadi, she also made him to take bath in there, in Sargaloka. And that time Durvasa, that time the Draupadi, she also gave on her piece of cloth to Durvasa Rishi. In this way, Durvasa Rishi, and he also very pleased with Draupadi and told, and in your life any calamity will come, and he will be always covered with your good clothes, and you will never naked and not going to that. And so this is also Purana also explain this way, by the causeless mercy of Durvasa Rishi, and Draupadi she also got this cloth. For this regard, Dusasan and pulled the cloth, but this cloth is never what is called finished. And so in this way Puranas also explain. Another thing, Durvasa actually who is called Draupadi. There are many also stories about Draupadi. Actual Draupadi, she is called that is called Chaya Sita. Our Brahma Vaivarta Puran explained this way, when Ramchandra killed Ravana and also returned, and he took Sita Devi, and then Sita Devi she came, then Ramchandra he also told, or Sita Devi she is chaste and not. Then Ramchandra gave order, Sita Devi had to give her chastity to enter in the fire. And then Sita Devi she entered in the fire. Actually, that Sita Devi is called Chaya Sita Devi. And to Chaya Sita Devi she entered and in the fire. Then ordinary Sita Devi and she came out from the Agni Deva. And this thing also mentioned in our different Purana Shastra, also these things, different Puranas. And so now origin Sita Devi and came out from the fire, and Ramchandra returned. Ramchandra took his origin consort Sita Devi from Agni Deva. Then that's the Chaya Sita Devi. She asked Lord Ramchandra, and I was staying in Ashok Vatika, and also always remember to you. And so what is my destination? And so what will do now? That time Ramchandra told, don't worry, you in my Krishna Lila, and I will arrange everything, and how will assist my sweet Lila in Krishna Lila and that thing. And but now present, and you go to the heavenly planet. Now you go to what is called Kailas and do perform heart austerities, and according to the heart austerities, you will attend to Devaloka. You will stay in Devaloka, and Devatas in there. For this regard, that same and Chaya Sita, she was staying in Devaloka in the form of actual called Draupadi. And then when Krishna Lila manifested, and then same Chaya Sita, and then again also manifested from the fire sacrifice, and that is called Draupadi. That is the daughter of Drupad. That is called Draupadi. And also, and she is also called the Panchali. And in this way, her many Leela. And the things also, Draupadi, she is called the also of Lakshmi Devi, Lakshmi Amsa. And so in this way, there are so many Puranas, many Kathas is there. And otherwise, who can manifest it from the fire? And Draupadi actually, she is called the Chaya Sita in this way. And many Puranas also explain that she is called also Agnikanna, different legend, and explained in this way. Because why I'm saying, because yeah, how possible Draupadi, she also gave this piece of cloth of donation to Durvasa Rishi in heaven. Actually, this is the reason. Actually, when Draupadi became Chaya Sita, and she was born in Devaloka, and that time she also came to take bath in Mandakini, and she gave the one piece of cloth to the Vasariti Rishi. And for this regard, and Dusasan pulled the cloth of Draupadi, and but not possible. Another things also, our legend also explained in this day. And once Krishna and Draupadi and others, they and Pandavas, they are walking in this, and when Krishna was walking, then some stone stuck in the thumbs, what is it called, toenails, and toes, and of Krishna. Then blood coming, and then when Draupadi saw this, then Draupadi just quickly torn off her and sari anchal, and also and what is called net span with the toes of Krishna. And that time Krishna very pleased with her service, and Krishna told, hey Draupadi, and in your life any calamity will come, and I will always protect you, and in your life any cloth will come, a need cloth I will give, and that is called imperishable cloth. Imperishable cloth, Akshay, kapra I will give, and you will never and will feel the lack of the cloth. So for this regard, Krishna gave the cloth this way. So many kathas in our Shastra also things. And today also another is called Pursuram Jayanti also is there. According to our Puranas, and Pursuram, sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, that is called Pursuram, Pursuram Avatar. And it's very nice we told this Katha in our different Puranas, Vishnu Puran, and other Puranas also explain about Pursuram Katha. And Pursuram, his father name was Jamadagni and his mother name was Renuka. And first, his father Jamadagni Rishi, his nature was Brahmana, Brahmana Sabhava. But Pursuram, his nature and Kshatriya Sabhava. Very nice, beautiful Katha is there. They have once and Jamadagni, he was performing fire sacrifice and need some food or some water, something this. And that time Renuka, the wife of Jamadagni, and to collect some water or what is called wood in the same time, and some asporas, and they also meeting to others and doing some party, dancing, enjoying some sense gratification in there. And Renuka stopped, and Renuka, she was watching the sense gratification of Apsara. Apsara means themselves. And then when she returned back to her husband, and Jamadagni become very angry. And Jamadagni in his, what is called, trance, realized, oh, why Renuka is too late return back. And yeah, that time Jamadagni Rishi become very angry, and Jamadagni Rishi told his four or five sons, and they first told his four sons, and your mother is unchaste because your mother's mind and attached with other person, and you have to choked the head of your mother. But Jamadagni's four sons, they denied. They told how possible we will kill and our mother Matriyatta. It is impossible. They denied. And that time, then Jamadagni Rishi told to his name, Pursuram. And then Pursuram, without asking anything, then Pursuram, he just took his, what is called, axe and kuthar, and he cut the head of his mother Renuka. Then Jamadagni Rishi very pleased, and Jamadagni Rishi asked Pursuram, you ask any benediction I will give. Then Pursuram, he told, oh my father, if you please with my service, and you give this benediction, my mother and had to return back his life again. And then Jamadagni Rishi, he gave this blessing. Then also again Renuka, and then his mother returned back his life here. In this way, our Shastra also explained, and as like Ramchandra, without asking any question, and he also followed the instruction of his father Dasarath Maharaj and exiled in the forest and Vanavas. And also Pursuram, Pursuram, without asking any question, he cut the head of his mother. And in this way, Shastra also explained here, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita, this slope also mentioned in there. Maybe later we'll discuss. And so today, as it's called the Parsuram Jayanti, and Parsuram, he also and killed the all the Kshatriyas, and 21 times he also killed all the Kshatriya kings, because that time all the Kshatriya kings, they were very cruel, and so for this regard Parsuram, he killed the 20 times, 21 times he also killed all the Kshatriya kings. And this thing also mentioned for this regard today also is called the Parsuram Jayanti. And another thing also which then Jagannath Puri, and after 2 months Jagannath what is called chariot will and start. For this regard in Jagannath Puri from today they also prepare for the chariot of Lord Jagannath. Understand? And they also going to collect the wood and for the chariot of Lord Jagannath. And this is also from today. And the Jagannath Puri also there. And today also very super expensive is Kedar Badri Darat Ghatam, and opening the door of Kedar Badri, and that is called Darat Ghatam, and then more than 6 months completely cover the Kedar Badri with the ice. And but from today they open and the door of Kedar Badri, and because now it's very hot, so ice and almost melted, and they also prepare to open the door of Kedar Badri, that is Kedar Badri Darat Ghatam. And in this Akshaya Tritiya also our Shastra also explain when in the heavenly planet and treasury, that is called Dhanakuber. Dhanakuber, he also got this post and in heavenly planet, that is called treasure, Kosadhaka,
Treasurer.
treasure,
Treasurer portion.
post, and this way. And today also another thing, just I forget about the story of this Draupadi. And today also Draupadi, she got one special pot from sun god, and that is called Akshay Patra. And in this Akshay Patra is very important. And Draupadi, she got this Akshay Patra and from sun god. Because Draupadi, she also proceed to Surya Devata, just offering the water to Surya Deva. And if you every day offering the water of the Surya Deva, Sun God, then Sun God would be pleased with you, and then Sun God will give you one special pot, that is called Akshay Patra. Understand? Imperishable pot. You can eat, and you can feed thousand people, and unlimited people, not 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. And
In the time of
Uncountable.
and especially in the time of lockdown time, and no need to ask
Donation.
people to give donation, and no need to ask for donation. If you just get this Akshay Patra from Sun God, and you can also feed the poor people,
World.
whole world alone. And no need to ask in donation. Whole world you can feed from your Akshay Patra. Well, how will get this Akshay Patra if you just also every day offer the water to Sun God. When our sun rises, understand, when sun rises, what time? And just when sun rises very early in the morning, and just Arunodaya, and the rays of the sun is coming, and that time if you offer the water to Sun God, and then Sun God will be pleased with you. And some mantra is also in there, but you just to chant the Idam Toyam Surjaya Namaha. This is enough. So simple mantra. Idam Toyam Surjaya Namaha. Then sun god will be praised. Then when your time will come, then you will get the Akshay Patra. Then you can feed the whole world. Understand? Uncountable people you can feed. No need of Gita, money, yani better than Shamsani. No need to ask. This is true.
Now
So,
everybody asking. Now everybody asking.
So actually Draupadi, she also got this Akshay Patra from sun god. And this Akshay Patra on some miracle also this thing. And when Draupadi took prasad and also clean that the Akshay Patra, and then she came to manifest that any food there. And so once Durvasa Rishi, he came and in their and what is a cottage. That means when Pancha Pandavas, Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadev and Draupadi, they are staying in Vimala Kunda. And that time also Durvasa Rishi, he came just midday, and Durvasa Rishi told to Yudhishthira Maharaj, and now I have come with my 60,000 disciples, and we have to take prasad in our place. But that time, and almost, and what is called, midday over, and Draupadi she also took prasad and she cleaned her Akshay Patra. And then Draupadi she also called to Krishna, and Krishna protect to all the Pandavas. This Katha also explained this way. In this way, our Shastra also explained this way. Draupadi she had this Akshay Patra, Akshay Pat in India. And actually today, Draupadi she got this Akshay Patra from sun god. And especially today also Madhavendra Puripad, and I also told this Katha, Madhavendra Puripad, he also went to South India and also brought the sandal to place and offered to Gopinath, Kirchara Gopinath in this way. And today also is for auspicious day in our Param Gurudev Bhakti Pragyan Krishna Goswami Maharaj, and he also established Gauriya Vedanta Samiti. And most of Bhakti Pragyan Krishna Goswami Maharaj, he also established all these temples, everything is yours in Akshay Tritiya. And so today is very special auspicious day, Akshay Tritiya. But just I also listen to Gurudev Harikatha. Gurudev also explained, and actually Akshay he mentioned there is a condition Harikatha, Krishna's sweet pastimes, especially Krishna's Braj Lila Katha, Braj Katha Lila Katha Nisivanam. If you listen, Braj Lila Katha, Gurudev, you listen, the Gurudev also explained and about what is the perfect meaning of Akshay Tritiya, and how Krishna bind with the love and affection with Suvarna Siddham in Braj, and how Krishna also binded with Mother Jashoda and her parental and love and affection, and how Krishna completely binded with Srimati Radhika with her love and affection. And so Gurudev explained two kinds and what is called Damodar. One is called Jashoda Damodar, another is called Radha Damodar. Jashoda Damodar, that is called the Vatsalya Bhav, or Radha Damodar, that is called Madhurya Bhav, and sweetness mood, and Singaros is there also. So Gurudev also explained, you have to listen, and the Radha Damodar Katha, this is the topmost, that is called Akshay Tritiya. In this way, you can perfect way to celebrate Akshay Tritiya. Other give charity donation, this is also external and Ihavajya. But internal that is called and Akshaya Tritiya. How to celebrate Akshaya Tritiya? Listen Hari Katha and sweet pastimes of Braj and especially Braj Kapi's Katha. Taba Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavividiritam Kalma Sahapam Sravana Mangalam Srimodatatam Bhuvi Vinnanti Te Bhuridayana. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, even Sagam, what is his name, King Prataprudra, and he completely is what, and went to King, what is called, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I will not meet with King Prataprudra because he is king, he is decided. But when King Prataprudra, he also changed his dress and he put the Vaishnava dress. And also when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taking rest and King Prataprudra came and also massaged the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and recited all the verses of Gopi Gita. And that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also embraced to King Prataprudra. And he also gave blessing to him and also manifested and his very nice beautiful form to King Prataprudra. This is also mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. And because according to instruction of Sarup Damodar and King Prataprudra, he also massaged the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and recited all the verses of Gopi Gita. And when coming this katha, and Taba Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavividiritam Kalma Sahapam Sravana Mangalam Srimodatatam Bhuvidannanti Te Bhuridayana. And Bhuridayana. And Bhuridayana means is what? And Bhuri means highest, the best, topmost. And that means Tadhatu, to give, one who is the best donation, and he is called Bhurida Jana. And that means one who gives Hari Katha, Harinam, and that is called Bhurida Jana. And because especially in this Kali Yuga, there are no any other places delivered from this material world, Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. And especially so today is very super auspicious day, you have to listen Krishna Katha. And especially in Katang Prasangat Mama Vidra Sangrido Bhavante Het Karna Rasayana Katha Tajjosanad Asu Apavarga Bhatmani Sadharati Bhakti Arunukrame Sati. And so you have to listen Hari Katha and Karna Rasayan Katha. Hit Karna Rasayan Katha. Hit Karna Rasayan Katha means highest sweet pastimes of Krishna. There is Gopi Kathamritam and Vikritam Bhagavadyan Chabam Krishna. Shraddhanito Nusunnad Varnedata Bhakting Parang Bhagavati Padilabha Kamu Hidrogam Asu Apinati Achire Nadhira Vikritam Brajabudhu Idam Cha Vishnu Shabdhanito Anusrunnat Varnet Atha Bhakting Parang Bhagavati Pratilabha Kamo Hidrogam Asu Apinati Achiri Nadhira. Those who are qualified persons, they have to listen Rashla Katha from the high class, exalted, qualified and Uttam Mahabhagavat. And so this is the topmost instruction and perfect celebrate the and Akshaya Tritiya. Bolo Akshaya Tritiya ki jai jai jai. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Our Katha now also we have rain coming. Hari Katha Jagga finish, the rain is coming. Shastra also saying, if you perform fire sacrifice, if the rain coming, then your Jagga will be successful. Then your Hari Katha Jagga now successful. And so I also ask some benediction to all you, give blessing to me. because now our Pastor here is heavy rain. You can see how heavy rain is coming here. Make look. Heavy rain coming. Yeah. And my Harikatha finished. Then so my heavy rain coming. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai 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 Sri Premanandi. Okay, nice to say again. अक्षय तृतीया की
जय
जय जय
श्री राधे।
हरि बोल जय जय हरि बोल हरि बोल हरे कृष्ण हरि बोल I did not listen your voice. Well, maybe you need not. Okay, very good. Did you listen? Hare Krishna. Oh, I did not listen your voice. What can you do? Please you check your own minute. My minute is okay, but I did not listen your voice. Very good. Hare Krishna. क्या कर रहे